People can't take up their bag in a piece.
But where you go, you're not going to buy nothing.
Don't matter, you must bring your bag. You don't know what can happen on the road. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day of VLOGMAS. It's day 24.
Not 24, today 23rd.
So what I vlog a day ahead, don't you know that?
Oh.
Don't you know that? Because Anna, you are doing the work, you know, you don't know how you go. You just come on over here and run off your mouth most time. How you think the people that get content? Hold on. Let me get inside. Right. Day 23 not edit yet. When I go back. When I come back, when I edit that. Right, put on your seatbelt. You must put on your seatbelt, you know. Put on your seatbelt. So, good morning, guys. Good morning again. We're just making a quick run on the road to check out something. So, you know, you guys, I have always, or I've told you over here before that I was getting a bed custom made and all of that. And what happened is I don't get the bed as yet, but something very bad happened. The furniture guy who was making it, he has decided to unalive himself, which is very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. We didn't see that coming in at all. And yeah, I'm lost for words. But what can I say? May his soul rest in peace. But when a person has decided to unalive himself, then that's a different story there, which I'm not going to get into. But it is very unfortunate that that has happened. So what we're going to do now, because there are persons who are identifying their stuff, because apparently there was a lot of stuff being made for people. So I heard that my bed is still there, because when I spoke to him the last time, he told me that it was being rubbed down. So I'm going to check and find out if the bed is actually there. Hopefully it is, because this happened over a week ago and I'm just hearing that my bed is there. So I thought that was at a total loss. So hopefully I will be able to get something. So that's the purpose of this trip right now. So yeah, I don't know what the rest of the day is gonna look like for me, because I know that Susanna is currently working on her room, you know, sprucing up and everything. Everybody's just basically sprucing up and everything. Yes. So yes, girlfriend. Look on the what? No, she beat it.
I did it.
Oh, yes.
I sit in the daughter.
She planned it though. Anyway, so just keep your fingers crossed, guys. Keep our fingers crossed that we have something there, you know? Right, Sus? Mm-hmm. You know, I'm if you get something. Mm-hmm. Well, so unfortunate that this happened. So what kind of plans you have for today?
After I finish, go down so go clean up.
Go clean up?
Then me difficult for the day, but kind of.
Oh, you have a fiddle? You have company to help you?
Unless you walk on, yeah.
You're funny, eh? You're funny, man. You're funny, bad. I can't manage nothing, I know that already. Otherwise, my daddy help. My girl, if you take it easy. You know them kind of way there?
Where I have to go.
Mm-hmm. What you got to do, what you gotta do, that's all. Mm-hmm. So
people not for build no house. Build no big house.
You know that man tell you, man? Anytime you build mine, me not know upstairs or no downstairs or nothing like that.
Bless me, true word.
True word.
Never tell a lie.
The guy house I am more cleaning for now. I don't have that. So you not have no plan to cook today, your time to cook now, you know?
Me and go down so go clean, so I don't have time to come back home.
Should have cook before you leave?
Cook what? Mama they cook salt mackerel.
No salt mackerel. Your tailor tell me say he want chicken nuggets again. You know I made chicken nuggets the other day, guys. You never tell me what it tastes. So say it tastes alright. Oh, you know they're plate full. When me see you take, it must taste alright.
Which plate full?
You never take one whole plate full? Yes, man. You and Tyler take whole. Don't tell no lies.
Fries and meat.
I don't believe that.
So nobody there, so you know.
Me go call out my lungs. Alright, so sooner or later, people, I'm not going to people yard. So you will leave your bed?
I'm going to put it. I must put my big nose.
You're not showing people in your hairstyle. They're nice, see? Show them now. Nice, clean
They
stuff.
have been rad.
Alright, so people.
They feel like a Saturday.
Yeah, today feel like Saturday for real. So this is what I got. Some more anato. I didn't get any bed at all. He started, but it was just the bottom, just some drawers, and that's it. No, there's no headboard, no, just some drawers. So I pretty much got my hopes up. Oh well, what's done is done already. What can I say? Whole bunch of anato. You know, we're back home and we're doing a lot of stuff inside. You know, we're sprucing up same way. And Mama just make some breakfast for us, or this is probably brunch because it's in between. So I'm gonna eat some mackerel and some yam. Yeah, I just saw some yam. No dumpling in there, no banana. Yeah, mackerel and yam. Okay, let me show now. Right, mackerel and yam. What you get, Sus?
Irish.
Irish? You get Irish?
Mozzarella yam.
So it's mozzarella yam.
Yeah.
Alright, so what the difference? Mozzarella yam na yam?
One time a year it gets the yam.
One time of year to get the mozzarella.
Yeah.
Good mozzarella yam.
Susana eat mozzarella.
So now you like eat mozzarella? So just what's the Irish over there is?
Yam.
But why you not eat mozzarella?
Yeah, I like it.
You not like it, that's why?
Yam.
You not like the texture right in your mouth? So, me like
You're a
any
yellow yam girl.
yellow yam type of girl. Me eat anyone, you know, so me eat anything. Tell you not going to eat right now? Alright. You're still full?
Thank you.
I'm going to eat pear.
Just cake you want before you come eat the good mackerel and thing. You're alright, man.
What's the way you feel, man?
It's alright. What I can feel for. But the mackerel is good, you know. So what is for dinner?
Curry chicken, bacon, and dumpling.
Oh, you will have some more in that pot? No, we're not eat that later. Tyler said he want popcorn chicken. He not make no popcorn chicken today. He better go eat when this.
You want too much iron in your body.
Well, he not get that today. No, me not make no popcorn chicken. Later on, we'll probably have fun fact with Tyler. Plus, no fun fact with you today. Tyler says no fun fact for you guys today. But we have some pictures that we want to go through, and the palm tree that I was you guys saw when I had the palm seeds. I had gotten some time ago, so I'll show you what they're like now. We have already planted some palm trees that I got those for like $800 each, and we planted 4 of them. I think I was vlogging around that time when it was being planted. If I have those clips, I'll show them as well. But no, I actually have the seeds, and the seeds are popping because I went on YouTube and saw how to do it. Because YouTube is my best friend to, you know, people. See, if you don't know how to do something, go up on YouTube, and YouTube will teach you how to do it. So me planting stuff, and all of what I've been doing is YouTube teach me how to do it, and it works so well. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. The other day we were talking about getting some palm trees for the driveway, and we're going to just line it up the driveway like this, come all the way up. So I got a few of them already, and someone is here to plant them for us and do it, but you know, we have someone can do it, so they're already big like this, and I have 4 of them. I need to get some more, but yeah, so these are what we're working with for now.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
You guys remember I was telling you about the palm seeds? Let me show you how they look. So they're in this bag here. So I told you I went on YouTube and everything, and they told me to just put it in a bag, in a plastic bag like this, and ensure that the soil is wet. I had used the soil that I bought at the store, so it has all the nutrients in it and everything. So it's been there for several weeks, and now, can see that? They might pop up. You see that? Right, so you know girl have skills. Like that. You know, I was checking on it for quite some time, you know, and nothing was spouting out or anything. Cause see that one is plain, nothing happening with that one. And I was checking and nothing was happening. So, you know, I kind of like forgot it. Like, let me not check. And then a few days ago, my mother said, look here, them start to spout. So you can see, see? You see what I'm talking about? So I can plant these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in a pot. I had some in here as well, and they're sprouting as well. So I'm going to put them in the pot one of these days. I'm not going to do it now because if I never had the videos to edit, if I never had the video to edit for later, then I'd probably plant these. Whoa, the other day I checked, all of them wasn't sprouting, you know. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, I feel so proud of myself right now. There's another one. This one don't start spout as yet, but I'm sure it will. So from this, you know, I can get 4 trees. See, me can grow my own palm tree, because me tell them say $800, me pay for them one there. One of them cost $800. And see, me I go grow my own thing, because I think they're delicate now, so I want to make sure they come the right way. One of these days I'll sort it out. Susanna wants to do my hair, so I'm going to allow her to do my hair. So I guess she can do my hair while I'm editing the video. Who can do that, right? Because yeah, as I said today, we're taking it really easy. Really easy, guys. Alright guys, so Susanna said she coming to fix up my hair with the wig. They are sorting it out, and I'm here to edit my Oh wow, come make me look like an Indian. You have a potential, so you have your guts to blow.
My guts everything.
Guts to.
Don't worry about me.
Guts to be.
Big hairdresser in the place.
Big hairdresser. Alright, so I'm looking forward to being older. So you come and work your magic.
You know what I mean? Think we have knock off. Think I China made this.
No, sir.
Original carbon copy.
That's it. I'm waiting. That'll take a look at time, so.
I want detangle put like a niceness in a hit.
Right.
I want head.
So all me do right here, so now people is editing until she comes. Yeah, that's that. Moving on to the next clip. I think I'm done with this one. Right. That's that. Oh, I think I was doing fun fact here with Tyler. I don't need this clip anymore. I'll delete that one. This one I'll use. Fun fact with Tyler. Increase the volume here. Play. Probably cut out some of this because he wasn't quite ready yet. Right, so I'll cut from here. Cut that. Bop, 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 bop. That's gone. So sorry about that. If you don't want to go and leave it today.
Pause it. Pause it.
Oh, it's going to interfere.
So people couldn't find the proper stocking. Some of us use this. She not gonna keep it on the time either, so Me just use this for now.
You mean by me not keep you no time, I go live in a heat.
Hmm?
I live in a heat. You're fixing it, man. I must keep it on.
What of it? You call me? So stocking and not stocking at all.
You wear out.
You wear out. Unless you want me to do it without the stocking cap.
No, it has to be done with the top stocking.
And the one money there's something there. It dry. Let me give you an idea. So have you catch your phone, miss?
Catch your phone and lie. Boy, you can't take time with my head, miss. Take time with my head, man. Hang me like say. No hang with me. You can't take no handling. Big hair just like this, you know, people.
Yeah, if there's something.
What?
If you aim.
I feel aim what?
The stocking cap too big.
It works same way, man. You don't know if you hang with your hand. Don't hand in a fashion. So why you never use the smaller one then? I'll see
No, you tell me if you use that because it's a tighter.
Yeah, I can. It's tighter, but I mean, go on with this, yeah, man. Go on with this. It's reinstallation. I've installed this already.
You have spoiled it.
I have spoiled it. They may not told me they know if you do it. They just need more practice. At first, I'm going to do something like this. The next time, I do it look better because I can get the understanding of it. No. I get it. It's actually not that hard. But since you really want to get your practice in doing it, I'll allow you to. Right? You're not sure them fear yet. The whole pan baby hair up there. Me say them people are born with some baby hair. Or they get some baby hair whenever born with. Well, you they have good baby hair.
I didn't even answer you.
Good baby hair. Should I show them some of your baby picture, you know? They want to do that in your video. Yeah. Show some baby picture. Or probably show them in the video tomorrow. You guys want to see some baby picture with Susanna? Quite a few there. One thing, you know, Susanna and Taylor, they look alike at baby stage. And go and dance now. See, I hope the music now pick up in anything, you know. I remember at one point, I'll insert the picture too, when they really look alike. This man, one trace of Susanna say is her baby, that Taylor belong to her. You know something yet? So my girl own your babies, your baby is not your sister baby. That's how much they look alike. But I think them kind of Taylor grow up, they look them now because they have a little shiny look. So Susanna used to look to as a baby, then look at eyes squeeze up. So I'm going to try and find those pictures. I'll show you. How she used to look. What is now? Where I don't know. This is our face.
Lift up the hair.
Oh my god, lift up on me the camera.
Wait. Two hand you have, miss?
Yeah.
Take your time.
Alright. What? Yeah,
Let it
go on
go.
with yourself. Let it go. May I get baby hair too?
Right, everything.
Everything. So what is this? What is it? You have to tell the people what you're using.
Wax glue. I'm wax stick.
Wax
Just
stick?
to lay down here so flat, you know?
Is that what it does?
Yeah.
Oh, really? But dude, I said, is it really? And one thing the boss missing in your time, I do. First Christmas without him.
My daughter. But I'm not going to venture on that now, people, because we get all emotional. You want cornrows or twist or no?
You're the one doing it, so just surprise me. Anything you do. But
That
what you
tweezing.
mean? What you mean by you're going to cornrow the front of it?
You want me to corner, but make it stay still.
No, me want.
And if you want tweezers, some of this.
Oh, you're gonna plug
Like
it
a makeup
out.
in here, sir.
Right.
But you're looking fabulous.
Yeah. She'll go on with herself, people. She'll look a potential. And a couple wig in there, we got that Insta and I see me over here and I have one wig every day, like say me not have wig in there. Couple more, not much. See me have one right here, so she could have installed this in it too, you know, but oh well. You know, should I wet up your hair after you do all of them or something first, Susanna?
Man, where you say? After me do
After
what?
the final touch, when you pluck out and tweeze and put
man.
this is the process
Listen
that
to me.
comes last.
When that's when you do for your hairdressing.
Oh,
Every hairdresser work different.
alright. Okay.
You see, you have top notch.
Top notch. Point taken. Point taken.
Top notch there.
Alright. Yeah, sit down and take here, do is free, so might as well. I just shut up and just take it.
That's right.
That's right.
And trust the process.
Alright, sir. Alright, that's nothing.
You know, so where I look good already?
Yeah, I start it already. I look spruce up and I go fix up. Nah, I care myself and what them just let go so.
You tell say I care a long time, I think I joke. See, you know.
People, she said she a care me and me tell her, say, once she a care me, she need to start pay the bills them for me when me have to pay. And she still never give me no doctor money, you see this, so how that go?
Come here.
Oh, me reach there, you give me taxi fare if you go? Man.
You could have come with me.
You can't go so early, maybe.
Well,
you will
a
left
choice.
work for early. You left you go work for early, me couldn't left out so early. So, and that mean I will spend the whole day in Mandeville.
So I never spend the whole day up there. What me don't do, me I have to wait for you till 7 o'clock. You never think about that.
Never think about that part.
Uh-huh.
You know, did that burn time anyways.
Don't let me not do work upon a bun time.
Exactly. You have people feel burn time with so many difference.
Oh, and you ready to go?
Ready to go. But on the bright side, I got to see those Christmas trees.
Yeah,
right?
I'll carry upon tour.
You carry upon.
What you want, girl?
You would have seen it in the video before, the one that I'm editing now. So that was very pretty to look at. I can't believe they actually have something like that. It's a really attraction there, you know. People there. I want to them people there, man. Them not have your blown a go and sign, huh?
We're not here, shall we have tapping eyes?
Say, they exactly me talk and them a blow a go and like I say. They must have manners, man.
People them see while we're here, they're too close. Back it out. See?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you look good, you know, mama?
Look good, girl.
What? Look good, your friend. Hold them, son. Mama, the other mama let me say look good too, you know?
Yes, man. Yeah, go on already.
Make sure it's front dry.
Mm-hmm.
Here, have
Potential.
more potential. It's giving.
Mm-hmm.
Here I give.
You see, for my girl, they up close, which they, you see when they go in with the camera, and you see the whole heap of edge them and the flake, me say, oh, sometimes they're not as neat as you think they be,
me now. You know, after a while they start.
After a while they start lift.
Yeah, if you can't do it yourself, got trouble.
Mm-hmm.
Feel like that move over your head?
No, I feel like I feel solid.
So you know, so you cap, not capping.
So I feel alright.
Back look good, you know?
Of course. Got it here alright then I wear more so.
Good quality here. If me, Ben. No, the couple of time. That's your poor lace.
Aye. And I will still work with cause I not like say.
It's one for you know.
You still work cause you still cut.
You cut it bad.
I could just do a cut it before I put it because some people normally do it before. But when I put it on head, I make it look like I say a technique. You don't have to do all you have to do is just cut it off first.
Well, so it's stiff up, see me.
Because they do fine. When I made it take care of and fling it over, I said, sure, I can't bother with this. I never plan to wear it again, but oh well. Oh yeah.
Try this. So you said you did pile up this, mama.
So Tanya, you have to try rectify it then.
Yeah, but me don't know say so it's tough.
I
So
probably should have wash it first. So I never really plan to
That's
wear it
the
back.
lace,
I just take care of and fling it on. Because you never cut all that bad as you think. You cut alright, you know. You cut alright. And I cut baby hair for you already. I cut the baby hair already too. So you just say baby.
Baby them are adults.
But talk about look how for your adulting. You talk about mine.
Adults them here.
Yours is adulting. Mine still not as big as them. Which one this now? What that?
Glue.
What kind?
Lace glue.
Lace glue. Okay. Not so much different glue they have. Lace glue got to be glue. Wax stick. Well, wax is different, but me just can't wait for my hair grow back so I can have to put on this in upon my head. It's growing, you know, people. It's growing. Just want to grow back. Keep on following me and sit down on my head. It's all about excitement with this, all about wig and line.
Your ears get in the way and your ears not big.
Who ears not big, man? You not see?
You see them here? What a clanker.
Yeah, it's better to hear you, my dear.
I hope you blow dry, if you blow, you know.
But you should have had that. You should have had it line up. Well, since I just fan it and make it dry. It would go much faster with it. But and everybody have the blow dry and you see them I do here same way.
You have blow dry, man. You have blow dry.
Me no say blow dry there. They know say
that the bag for me.
The bag you for birthday gift through a birthday then you just buy done with some other something. Very thoughtful. So you not put down, you not lay down my baby hair them like
no, because true fear them stiff. I should wash the wig before. So next time I go wash it, so I can release the stiffness where you have bunny. I can't get outy.
Yeah.
So that's why I do it like this. Because I don't want to lay your babies, but I can't lay your babies.
I just never plan for
I don't want to pick out and put some makeup in the hair, but you say not depend that right now, so.
Me not go nowhere, me think you not go do it.
What you say, mama?
Me not go nowhere, so if you pick out or if you pick out and pluck out, me not have a problem. I sit down right there.
You can't go through that time.
Alright, I go edit
you know, you know something there. You chew the hair stiff. I want to show the baby hair because the glue lay down pan you know. Yes, man, the glue lay down pan.
Alright. So what you do now? Me have one purple something in there, so the one you tie around it. You know, I can't put in that. Me just put on this something there. Because I want the front of it to tie down same way, you know, if you make it. But yeah, alright. Make it stay. I'm going to keep it out. So, when she said the girl do her work, I got a wig. Brand new. It look good, do it?
Brand new, second hand to them.
Yeah.
Rope straps. Yeah.
So it look good. Yeah, you have to rate our people on a scale of 1 to 10. How she put on my hair. Given the little factors that she was working with, you know, the fact that the hair is stiff up at the front and all that, because you know the girl never planned to put on back this or anything like that. But how did she do? Reinstallation of a wig, of a lace wig. Yeah, make them see for you now, because they're not see for you.
For me, rod up.
For when metals if you show them.
Oh, it rod up. Yeah, that's what I tell you, rod up.
With our whole heap of manufactured baby hair, but it's still, me like it still. So it's not gonna be a long video today, guys. I told you that. So please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below the word. What is the
wig?
Yeah, wig. That's
Wiggy.
that's the word to comment to let us know that you watch, you know, to the end of the video. So thank you again for watching. Until then, I'm gonna Shawee saying peace out and sunset.
Wiggy.
Bye.
Bye.